Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Swagbucks application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, you can tap on the search box and now just type in Swagbucks to begin your search. Once you find the Swagbucks application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Swagbucks app on your device. Just wait until the process is completed and you will see the open button when it is done. You can then tap on this and it will open up the Swagbucks application right away. You now have the option to either use your Google account or continue with your email in order to sign up and create a new account or log into your existing one. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Swagbucks application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.